Just doing some assessment of this steering gear housing and base that I need to rebuild. Retainer spring goes in like so with a retainer, and a 5/16 bolt holds it in. And as I said in the previous video, the one here is missing, and one of the reasons I think is because right here the bolt was sheared off. So I'm up against getting that drilled out. I do have a drill press. I'll see if I can't manhandle this and get that drilled out. The steering gear arm, like I said, was welded, and it looks like they did a pretty decent job with it. Some recommendations would be helpful. If rather than I should go ahead and try to obtain a replacement steering gear arm, or just leave this one alone. And as I showed in the previous video, the bearings are completely shot, and this gear looks in pretty good shape. I would like an opinion regarding the steering gear housing kit that's offered on Yesterday Tractors and Steiner. It shows it has the retainers, this retainer here, and bearing, and gaskets and such for like $71. The thing that bothers me though is it says that the bushing, this guy right in here, may need to be honed for the size of the steering gear shaft. So if someone's got some thoughts on that kit versus me buying piecemeal onesie twosie stuff, I would appreciate it. All for now.